suporta niyo po sa anak namin, si Darren. Thank you po from the bottom of our hearts. Hindi man kita mapagbigyan, anak, kasi hindi naman ako, baka masira yung title mo na total performer eh. Pag sumayaw-sayaw pa ako. Anyway, as you celebrate your 40th birthday here at the MOA Arena, I would like you to know na we are so proud of you. You brought so much joy to our family. You're really a gift to us and a blessing to us. And as a mom, I can never be prouder, anak. Meron po akong konting message kay Darren. Kinakabahan po ako, kaya nag-type po ako.
Alam niyo po itong si Mami, siya po yung talagang nag-aalaga po sa akin dito sa Pilipinas. Siya po yung stylist ko. Siya po yung parating nag-aalaga sa akin. Siya po yung tumutulong sa backstage para po ma-ready po ako at maayos po yung mga performances ko. Yes.
Ganyan yung lahat ng mamis, ganyan yata anak eh. We will do everything. Darren, you are now living your dream. Naaalala mo anak, noon, nanonood lang tayo sa TFC. Lagi tayong, ang galing ni ganito, ni sir, ni ma'am, ganyan-ganyan. Lagi tayong nag-uusap. Tapos, ngayon anak, nangyayari na. Ikaw naman, kahit pa paano, nakagbigyan na pagkakataon na makapag-perform sa MOA Arena. MOA Arena anak, hindi basta-basta. Pero, hindi rin ibig sabihin nun na yun na rin yung start na magyayabang. Ito lang siguro yung magmamark ng beginning sa mas magandang tatahakin mong karera. Darren, as you are now living your dream, masyado akong na-overwhelmed. Kasi it seemed impossible before because of the ups and downs that you went through just to reach it. And I believe that it's all because of your undying love for music and your perseverance no matter what. I'm very confident enough to say now that all your hard work are paying off. Having said this, let me remind you though to please do not forget God. Always seek His guidance in everything that you do. Embrace humility, gratefulness, and appreciation. Remember all the people who helped pave the way for this. Hindi madali anak yung pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, yung magkakahiwa-hiwalay tayo, pero we'd like you to know na kahit ano pa ang mangyari, susuportahan ka namin hanggat saan mo gusto dalhin ang pangarap mo. Happy birthday, Darren. May our love and support inspire you always. May you enjoy what you are doing as your Darrenatics family tirelessly support in every endeavor you have. Ang dami anak ng mga taong hindi natin inakalang susuporta sa iyo at tutulong. Blessing yan. They are being used by God as instruments. Sana anak, pagdating din ng araw na ikaw naman ang pagbigyan ng chance na makatulong din sa mga darating at baguhan, be a blessing to them as well. Ano? At sana wag lalaki yung ulo, wag magiging mayabang. Ha? Okay, happy birthday. We love you so much.
Darren, I just would like to let you know that palagi lang ako nandito kami ng mami mo and bilang magulang. Yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon hindi madali. Mahirap, maraming challenges, maraming difficulties. Always remember na we will always be here to support you. Yeah, kung tatakbol ka, sasalagin yung mga challenges na maranasan mo. So, always put God first in anything that you do. And as a family, we will always be here to support you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat po. Kasi sila po, itong pamilya ko po ito, to anything I do, talagang supportive po sila. And I just love them so much. You know, hindi ko po siguro nasasabi as often, pero I love you guys so much and thank you for supporting me. Thank you.